Can I request Mr. Rajan and Sanjay to be on stage to help me do this job? Really, you get an opportunity to do it 2 times in your life, and thankfully, it's an honor, pride, blessing, everything. And we're talking about a person who's an evangelist, a crusader, who has worked relentlessly for 2 decades to bring growth to rural sector and to promote the cause of rural marketing in India. Over the years, he has emerged as the face of rural marketing industry. He has been the president of RMAI for the past 5 years and many more to come. Under his leadership, RMAI has grown in stature. Today, Flame Awards have become very prestigious, and needless to tell you that how much passion he puts into everything that we do at RMAI. At least he's made all of us come on time for meetings. He is known for his unique ability to merge practice and theory to find innovative solutions. He has pioneered many approaches to find sustainable business and marketing solutions in emerging markets, such as inclusive marketing, public-private community partnership, 3I approach to innovation, last mile youth entrepreneurship, distribution models, etc. His work in rural marketing space is legendary. He has co-created the world-famous Project Shakti with Unilever. He worked with Navratis to set up Arogya Parivar model for TB treatment for the poor, which has been replicated in 5 countries. He has advised dozens of Fortune 500 companies and global investors. He has worked on numerous projects to generate additional income for rural producers by reaching their produce to bigger markets. No wonder when people come to his office, in their visitors book they write, "You're doing God's work." He's sought after speaker and has given over 500 talks to CEO for conferences and at academic institutes. His book on rural marketing is a standard textbook at most of the IIMs and other premium business schools. His humility and low profile are qualities that have touched many of us in the marketing fraternity. He has created a value-based organization that follows a business mind and a social heart culture. He is fondly known as Father of Rural Marketing, a title given to him by many, including Mr. C.K. Prahlad. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request all of you to join me in giving a standing ovation to the recipient of the prestigious Lifetime Award, Achievement Award, to Mr. Pradeep Kashyap, founder and CEO, Mars. Can I have the applause, please? Would like to say a few words on the occasion.
Well, friends, I have known Mr. Kashyap for the last 12 years. In fact, we tied up with Madison in 1998. In 3-4 years, I got so frustrated with what was happening in the industry. I said we must do something to dispel a lot of myths about rural marketing. So I went around the country trying to form an association of like-minded individuals who had subject and regional specialization. And the first person to respond positively was Mr. Kashyap. Thank you, Mr. Kashyap. It's been, though not a very long, just a 12-year-old relationship, it's been tremendous bonding. In fact, I was amazed at his forthrightness and frankness. He was willing to share his knowledge. Until we formed that rural network of 4 of us, I was living in a cocoon in Madras, thinking that I know everything about rural marketing. Only when I joined hands with these 4 gentlemen, that the knowledge base expanded exponentially. And we formed the rural network as a business proposition. Unfortunately, because it didn't have a single phase, it did not work out as a business proposition. But we had bonded so well, we thought, why not we leverage this strength to form an industry association. And that is how the Rural Marketing Agencies Association of India was formed, about which Mr. Kashyap has already told you. Though Mr. Kashyap could have become the founder president of the association, he was kind enough to propose my name for reasons best known to him. He was telling me, you know, Mr. Rajan, you are so used to being part of so many organizations, Rotary, this and that. I have never done anything of the sort. But I always told him that, you know, this is only the first time I must do it. But he insisted that I take up. And I'm glad I did it because I thoroughly enjoyed my stint as the founder president for 4 years and did whatever I could to lay a solid foundation. But the credit for taking the association to the next level of its growth in terms of its visibility, financial resources and new ideas must certainly go to Mr. Kashyap. Posterity will always remember him for his single biggest contribution. In fact, I have read all the 12 or 13 textbooks that are available in the market. I think what Mr. Kashyap has done is one of the best textbooks available in the market for rural marketing. And unlike me, who wears several hats, to the best of my knowledge, he has been living and breathing rural marketing since he quit a well-paying job, a corporate job, and to pursue his passion for rural development. I know that many other industry bodies started around the same time as RMI look at RMI with envy for what it has achieved in just 10 years. The credit for this must go to Mr. Kashyap and his team of office bearers, ably supported by the luxury that he enjoyed, a secretariat which I didn't have for the first 4 years in Madras. Everything I had to do myself. He has got the efficient secretary, Shirja, Venugopal to help him, and of course the ever-helpful Mart team. Anytime I wanted any help, the Mart team was always there under the inspiring leadership of Mr. Kashyap. At the end of his 5-year term, he has threatened that he will step down as the president of the association and hand it over to the new president. It's only appropriate that RMA has decided at this juncture to confer the Lifetime Achievement Award on an icon of rural marketing world. In my personal capacity, I wish to congratulate Mr. Kashyap on getting this prestigious award and wish him a long and healthy life so that he can continue to serve the cause of rural marketing and rural development in this country. God bless. All the best.
Would you like to say a few words for us?
This is an emotional moment. I am deeply grateful to RMAI for considering me worthy for this prestigious award. During my 3 decades that I've been in this sector, ever since I gave up a corporate job, I've had the good fortune of interacting and learning from many of you. I've never read a textbook on rural marketing, so whatever I've learned has been learned from all of you. I've received your unstinted support, affection, and respect, for which I consider myself blessed. I'm deeply indebted to each one of you. This award truly belongs to all of you. However, there are a few people whom I want to thank specifically, as they have been fellow travelers on this remarkable journey. Mr. Rajan has been a wise companion from whom I've learned so much, including how to involve the whole RMAI team by assigning them responsibility and taking up a public position, which I had never done in the past. From Pradeep Lukhande, who's not here today, I've learned the power of passion and commitment. He's one person who receives postcards by the name of Pradeep Lukhande, India, and the postcards reach him. And now I come to Mr. Rajkumar Jha and Sanjay Kaul. They have been like the dependable Lakshman and Bharat, younger brothers of Ram. They believe in me and support me unquestioningly. I'm ever grateful to them. Thank you very much. I would like to thank my wife, who has kept my ego under check for all these 40 years that we've been married. Even yesterday, when she learned about this award, she said, "What's new? You keep getting awards." When I said this is the Lifetime Achievement Award, she said, "Okay." So Lifetime Award is invariably a polite reminder to the recipient that his retirement is overdue. Well, I have taken that hint seriously, and as I mentioned, that I have already decided to step down as the president of RMAI. I'm also no longer involved in the day-to-day affairs of MART. I now spend most of my time giving talks at global investor meets, CEO forums, and academic institutions on a variety of non-rural subjects like leadership, ethics, excellence, innovation, and creating a winning organization, because I am now tired of the rural sector. I've done a little bit, and I now want to, move on to other things. Before me, the first recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award was none other than Mr. R.V. Rajan, who was also president of RMAI. So moral of the story, if you want to be the next recipient, you must first become the president of RMAI. So I appeal to the next generation, to Sanjay Kaul in particular, to come forward and take responsibility for running the association. Great rewards await you, I promise. God bless you all. Thank you very much.